Don't underestimate baking soda. It can help with gastritis, reflux, indigestion, gas, and bloating. It can also help with bad breath and mouth sores. It's even known to help dissolve kidney and gallstones. And if that's not enough, some claim that it can prevent the growth of cancer cells and even fight various cancer types. Would you believe me if I told you that all of this is possible with a simple and miraculous mixture? Mixing water with baking soda is that simple. Many articles and statements emphasize this over and over. But is it really true? Have you read about this, and did you know these things? Why is baking soda so powerful, and why does it keep appearing in front of us? Can drinking water mixed with baking soda really cure illnesses? In today's video, we, as OzCon Healthy, will explain everything you need to know about this simple water and baking soda mixture, its ingredients, and its real effects on your body, as well as whether it truly provides all the benefits people claim. We'll also discuss what you need to be careful about when preparing this mixture. Before we get into the details, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends and family. Have you or your friends ever used this? From which country are you watching our video? Do you have any questions in mind? Don't forget to share your experiences with baking soda in the comments. Keep in mind, this video is for educational purposes and should not be used for diagnosing or treating any disease. Everyone has baking soda in their home. It's used in cooking, primarily to achieve homogeneous mixtures. This is one of those everyday items that we all own but don't often think about. This cheap white powder might be more valuable than we imagine. Surprisingly, some doctors actually recommend this mixture because of its incredible effects. Here are 8 important ways drinking baking soda water can improve your health. It can relieve stomach discomfort. This is probably the most well-known use of baking soda water. If you've ever experienced bad heartburn, you know how uncomfortable it can be. That burning sensation is felt in your chest and throat, making it difficult to sleep or concentrate on anything else. Baking soda acts as an antacid, neutralizing stomach acid. When you drink it, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach, producing harmless byproducts like water and carbon dioxide. This reduces the acidity in your stomach and can quickly relieve heartburn symptoms. While baking soda water provides quick relief, it's not a long-term solution for chronic heartburn. If you use it frequently, it's a good idea to consult a doctor to discuss underlying causes and other treatment options. However, it's an affordable and effective solution for occasional heartburn. It may help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones form when certain substances in urine crystallize. The most common type of kidney stones is calcium oxalate stones. Drinking baking soda water makes your urine less acidic, making it harder for these stones to form. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that taking sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, supplements can improve kidney function and help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. Of course, baking soda water isn't the only way to prevent kidney stones. Drinking plenty of water, limiting salt intake, and eating less animal protein can also help. But adding baking soda water to your routine could provide extra protection. It can boost your athletic and sexual performance. This might come as a surprise, but many athletes use baking soda to improve their performance. The science behind it is quite interesting. When you engage in intense exercise, lactic acid builds up in your muscles. This causes the burning sensation you feel during exercise and makes your muscles more acidic. This limits their ability to continue working. Baking soda is alkaline, so it can help balance this acidity. By making your blood slightly more alkaline, it allows your muscles to work longer before becoming fatigued. One study showed that cyclists who consumed baking soda exercised for about 4.5 minutes longer than those who didn't. Many studies have found that taking baking soda before intense exercise can boost performance. It can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease is a serious condition where your kidneys gradually lose function over time. It affects millions of people and can eventually lead to kidney failure. Some evidence suggests that baking soda can help slow the progression of this disease. Your kidneys play a vital role in maintaining the pH balance in your body. As kidney function declines, it becomes harder for your body to maintain this balance, leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. Baking soda can neutralize this acid, reducing the strain on your kidneys. One study found that patients with chronic kidney disease who took baking soda supplements experienced a much slower decline in kidney function. However, you shouldn't try to treat kidney disease on your own. Always work with a doctor, but if you have this condition, it's worth discussing the use of baking soda as part of your treatment plan. It may aid certain cancer treatments. This might be the most surprising benefit of all, right? It turns out that baking soda may help make some cancer treatments more effective. Many types of cancer thrive in acidic environments. Some researchers believe that making the area around tumors less acidic could help treat cancer more effectively. Since baking soda is alkaline, it might help with this. A 2009 study found that injecting bicarbonate into mice lowered tumor pH levels and slowed the progression of metastatic breast cancer. Still, it's not correct to say that baking soda treats cancer, and you shouldn't try to treat cancer on your own. However, this research suggests that baking soda could be a helpful addition to some cancer treatment protocols. If you're undergoing cancer treatment, it might be worth talking to your oncologist about this. It can improve oral hygiene and help with mouth sores. We usually think of baking soda as something that cleans our teeth from the outside, which is why it's a common ingredient in toothpaste. But drinking baking soda water can also protect your teeth from the inside. Many types of bacteria live in your mouth. Some are harmless, but others can cause cavities and gum disease. Many of these harmful bacteria thrive in acidic environments. Drinking baking soda water can neutralize these acids, making your mouth less hospitable to these bacteria. It can also help neutralize acids from the foods you eat, protecting your tooth enamel from erosion. One study found that gargling with a baking soda solution was more effective at reducing plaque than gargling with just water. While this study focused on gargling, it suggests that baking soda could have positive effects on oral health. It may help with skin blemishes and acne. The anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties of baking soda make it useful for treating various skin problems. Some people find baking soda helpful for acne, eczema, and psoriasis. For example, a baking soda paste can relieve itching and inflammation caused by insect bites. Baking soda baths are often recommended to relieve itching from insect bites or bee stings. It can also soothe itching from sunburn. It can reduce post-exercise muscle soreness and fatigue. Drinking baking soda water after exercise can neutralize the lactic acid that builds up and reduce muscle soreness. How to prepare baking soda water. To start, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with about 200,400 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. For heartburn or digestive issues, it's best to drink on an empty stomach. Things to watch out for. If you have high blood pressure, it's a good idea to limit your intake of baking soda. People with kidney failure and heart disease should also avoid using baking soda. If you have any health conditions or take regular medication, it's best to consult your doctor before incorporating baking soda water into your routine. Remember, baking soda water is not a miracle cure, and overuse can lead to side effects. It's best to consume small amounts, mixing half a teaspoon with a glass of water and drinking it no more than a few times per week. Otherwise, serious issues could arise. Next time you look at that box of baking soda in your kitchen, remember that it's not just for cooking or deodorizing the fridge. It could be a simple way to improve your health. Who knew such a humble household item could be so beneficial? Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried drinking baking soda water? What did you use it for? Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos. Share this with your friends and family so they can use baking soda water safely and benefit from its advantages.